Hello, my name is John Williams. I'm the chair of Age Cymru. Priorities for the next Welsh Government. Poverty. While more than 120,000 pensioners in Wales live in poverty, it's estimated that at least 80,000 households in Wales eligible for pension credits are not claiming it. It's a similar story for attendance allowance, armed forces pensions, and council tax discounts. Entitlements worth millions of pounds remain unclaimed because people don't know about them or don't think they are eligible. The additional money could help lift older people out of poverty and help them to live a more fulfilled and dignified life. The next Welsh Government must ensure that public services are more proactive in telling older people when they become eligible for entitlements. Lack of voice. Many older people told Age Cymru's Community Calculator survey in 2020 that their voices and opinions are not heard in local communities. It's vital that older people's views, needs and experiences are taken into consideration when designing and delivering services, especially now as we enter the recovery stages of the pandemic. Older people must be able to speak up about the local issues that are important to them through meaningful consultation and engagement. As more information and consultations go online, there's a risk of further excluding many older people. While some older people are using the internet, 51% of the over 75s are still not connected for any number of reasons, such as cost, lack of interest, or poor Wi-Fi connection. And as we move ever closer to a situation where all information and services go online, there's a growing risk that older people who are not online will not be able to access the information they need to live a fulfilled life, nor will they be able to influence local and national decision-making, a situation that was particularly evident during the pandemic. The next Welsh Government must ensure that all information and services are available both offline and online, and that they are of equal quality. It must also provide help for those trying to overcome the barriers to using online technologies. Public libraries have been particularly helpful with this issue.